I'm about to lose my home. It's not my fault. I need help. Where can I get it? NACA has
national resources to help save your home from foreclosure.
This was sort of like my last.
Plus we want to hold these lenders accountable.
I'm about to lose my house. I'm in foreclosure right now.
My payments were approximately $3,000. After today, my payments are a little over $1,100.
I want to buy a house. My credit score is low. I want a low interest rate so I can afford the mortgage. Who can help me? NACA has a home buying program. No down payment is required. No closing cost or fees. A 4.12% 30-year fixed interest rate. The loan is not based on your credit score. The NACA American Dream Tour is coming back to Atlanta September 26th through the 30th. Tens of thousands attend the NACA American Dream Tour, and the lines are long. Skip some of the process by attending the NACA Homebuyer Homeowner Workshop, Saturday, September 21st, 4 p.m. at the historic Westside Village Festival, 590 North Avenue, Atlanta, Georgia. Avoid the lines and get priority when you visit the NACA station at the historic Westside Village Festival, September 21st. Register for the NACA Homebuyer Homeowner Workshop at hwvfestival.org. Brought to you by the Neighborhood Assistance Corporation of America and the Stimulate America Tour.